Good morning, Letterlanders. Today is Tuesday, and I'm back again, Mrs. Knippenberg, for our Letterland lesson of the day. Today's objective is I can play a game to help me read new or tricky words. So we're going to play a really fun game, and I'm kind of excited. And you can use this game with any book or any list of words. So the game that we're going to play today is called Tractors, Trains, Planes, and Helicopters. And you're going to kind of think about how each one of those vehicles moves because it's going to help us learn how to play our game. So the first way that we can read words is the tractor way. That means we're going to read it really slow and we're going to sound out each word. And I'm going to show you how to play that on the next page. Then the second way that we can play our game is by reading it the train way. When you read it in a train way with your voice, you read it at a slow, steady pace. You're not sounding out every word or every sound, but you are just reading the words very slowly. The third way that we're going to play is called the airplane way. This way you're going to read a little faster. So you'll see how we play in just a minute. And the last way is the helicopter way. This is my favorite. This is where you point to the words in a random order. That means you don't go straight down the list of words. You hop from one word to another. So I'm going to go to the next page and we're going to play the game together. So here I put the pictures over here so you could see them. Again, we have a tractor. Let's just remember that means we're going to sound out every word. Then the train means we're reading it kind of slow, just like when a train first starts to take off, it kind of starts going slowly. Then we're going to read it the plane way, the airplane way, and last the helicopter way. So here are my list of words that I brought for us to play with. And these are all words that we want kindergartners to be able to read in a very smooth way. But first, since it's our first time, we're going to play the tractor way. And this is where I touch each sound and I say the sounds in the word. So I'm going to show you the tractor way. Here I go. W, e, t. W, e, t. Okay, I'm going to go down to the next one. Remember, I'm just reading the tractor way. A, g. A, g. D, I, p. D, I, p. K, and s. K, and s. So there I just modeled the way we play when we use our tractor voices. And you noticed when I did the tractor voice, I did it 2 times in a row. You can also try that, or you could even do it 3 times in a row. So I would keep going and read all the sounds and all the words to do it the tractor way. Now I'm going to play it doing my train way. And when we do the train way, we're just saying the words slowly. So watch how I do that. Wet, fog, dip, cans, hit, dogs. So I'm reading it really slowly. I could try reading them 2 times in a row like this. Wet, wet, fog, fog. You could even try it that way. Then the next way is the plain way. And remember when we do it the plain way, we are reading it a little bit faster, kind of like our normal reading voice. Like when a teacher reads a book, it would be the way you would hear the words in a book when a teacher reads. So I'm going to try it the airplane way. Ready? Wet, fog, dip, cans, hit, dogs, fell, him, wag, cup. So I did it that way. I read it just like you would read it if you were reading a story. The last way is my favorite. This is the helicopter way. And the helicopter way is where you touch them in random order. So you can go in any order you want. I just don't want you to go straight down. So this will really get you to be a fluent and smooth and quick reader. So I'm going to try it the helicopter way. Wet, hit, him, dip, cup, wag, fog, cans. Did you see how I skipped around? It helped me to really remember those words too, and it proved that I could remember them and say them quickly. So that's how you play tractor, trains, planes, and helicopter. So now it's your turn to practice. In your notebook, do you see this list of words over here? I'll kind of move my screen over just a little bit so you can see them even better. You're going to copy this list of words right here into your notebook. If you don't have a notebook ready, you could also pause the video and just read right from your computer or your device. So you're going to practice reading this column of words the 4 ways I just taught you: the tractor way, the train way, the plane way, and the helicopter way. And if you can't remember, you can go back to the slide before to help you remember the different ways to read. For a challenge, you can make up or invent your own way to read the column of words. For example, maybe you could read it in a monkey voice, or a squeaky mouse voice, or maybe even an elephant voice. Or you could think of a different transportation. Maybe you're going to read it in a race car voice or a dump truck voice. Be creative. You can also find tricky words in your books that you're reading and write down those words. So if I was reading a book and I came to some tricky words that I got stuck on, that would be a perfect place to play this game with. You can write down those tricky words, and if you practice reading it all 4 ways, you'll get really good at those words, and the next time you read your book, you'll be a pro at reading all those words. So today, Letterlanders, I want you to have fun and go be word readers. I hope you like the game. Have a great day.